everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am sharing with you this one signature travel junk journal. The size of this journal is 8 3/4 by 4 3/4 and there are approximately 88 inside pages. The base of the cover is file folder and then I covered it with fabric and I covered it with paper collage. So here it is. These images are from Graphic 45 paper pad named Tropical Travelogue. It's an awesome paper pad collection. I only had a few pages left, so that's what I used for this journal, so not the entire collection. The back is very plain and simple, and then the spine I decorated with washi tape. So here it is. There are plenty of inserts and pages to journal on, and I really hope that you love this journal as much as I do. This traveler's journal is easy to carry with when you travel, and I really had fun creating this journal. The closure is in peach color. It is an Indian cotton fabric. And so let us take a look inside. For the inside pages and embellishments, I used a variety of papers from my stash. I also used what I have left from Graphic 45 Tropical Travelogue. I provided plenty of loose sheets or extra papers for added writing opportunities. I hope that you stay with me till the end of the flip through. I will be back before the end of this video.
Imagine a world where we all belong, where no one's left out, dressed in our finest, walking the walk. Be our guest, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. Shelter, everyone's free, and the best they can be. Tall grass sing songs and trees play a symphony. Ooh, imagine what we would do. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. Abby's, I wonder who we'd be. At ease in the great mystery. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. I don't know where she came from, kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. And when she's gone, I miss her so. I tell her, baby, please don't go. I think you should stay with me. And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. Turn me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night with her, bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. I don't know what it means, but there's a smile upon your face, and I see something shimmering in your eyes. And they say if you want to glimpse the future, you need space. And you said you'll put down your morning guns. Would you follow me to wonders? Take my hand and walk beside me in a world of thunder. Fear is an imposter. When you look at me this way, I find it hard to not give in. So the days became weeks, it felt just like the night before. You were slowly fading in my mind. When you left it hard to not give in.
I am back. Thank you so much for staying with me here. I hope that you enjoyed the flip through. Please let me know what you think about this journal. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. My information is in my description. The information about this journal is also in my description. Thank you so much for supporting my work. If you are not part of my YouTube family and you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and join us. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you. Bye now. Till next time.